Hello everyone. In this lesson video I'm going to show you how to transfer a picture that you have made, maybe in your sketchbook, onto your good paper. So we're going to pretend that this is my sketchbook and I want to trace this guy here onto a piece of good paper so I can use it in my picture. So you're first going to take tracing paper and just place it over top. And this first part is pretty obvious. You're just going to trace over your picture. And I am pressing down firmly so I can get a nice picture of this. This should go pretty quickly. And of course you don't want your tracing paper to move around, but at least if it does move, it's pretty easy to reposition it. So this will save you time so you don't have to redraw something that you did a pretty good job with in your sketchbook. So, once I am done with this, then I'm going to get my good paper. Alright, I'm going to leave the face. I'm not going to trace that. Alright, so there I have my tracing. Now I'm going to come to the good paper, and I want it to look like this. Now I could flip it over, and then it's going in the other direction, but I want it the original way. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a piece of paper and the side of my pencil, and I'm just going to shade in on top of this. And you're going to see, I bet some of this will come out onto the paper underneath. So you just want to make sure that you're shading where your pencil line is. And this part does not have to be neat whatsoever. But you don't want to draw on top of it. Okay, I'm kind of going quick here. All right, so look at, you can even see the picture there. So now let's go back to my good paper, and I'm going to place this here. And now I can't let it move, and I just trace over my pencil line. So this is a way to transfer your artwork onto good paper that you want to use for one of your completed pieces. This one specifically is going to go into our winter landscape that we began a couple classes ago. And since the Olympics are just a few weeks away, we're focused on the Winter Olympic sports. And yeah, all right, almost done. Now, if by chance you have forgotten to shade over an area, or you forget to trace something, well then you'll just have to freehand it in. So there, I'll hold it up close so you can see that. Now, of course, I'm going to have to go back in here, trace it again, and this is when I would start adding the details. So I'm going to make this a girl. So I'm going to leave it at that, but have fun, and can't wait to see what you do.